With great pride and excitement, we welcome you all to the inaugural ceremony of the R.G.U.H.S Mangalore Zone Intercollegiate Football Tournament 2025-26, hosted here at PA College of Pharmacy. Football is not just a sport, it is a celebration of teamwork, discipline, and passion. Today, as we gather here, we celebrate not only the spirit of sportsmanship, but also the unity of institutions under the banner of Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences, Bengaluru. Let us begin the ceremony by invoking the blessings of the Almighty. I request Mr. Sawat from second year B Farm to lead us.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والضحى والليل إذا سجى ما ودعك ربك وما قلى وللآخرة خير لك من العلا ولسوف يعطيك ربك فترضى ألم يجدك يتيما فآوى ووجدك عائلا فأدى ووجدك عائلا فأغنى فأما اليتيم فلا تقهر وأما السائل فلا تنهر وأما بنعمة ربك فحدث. But the morning sunlight and the night when it falls still, your Lord or Prophet has not abandoned you, nor has been become hateful of you. And the next life is certainly better for you than this one. And surely your Lord will give you so much to you that you will be pleased. Did he not find you as or prophet when stayed you? Did he not find you unorganized, then guided you? And did he not find you needy, then satisfied your needs?
Principal of PA Engineering College, I welcome you, sir, for this program. Now, to formally welcome our dignitaries and the participants, I invite Dr. Iqbal, Physical Director, PAET, to deliver the welcome address.
Respected dignitaries on the and of the dais, Physical Education Director from various colleges, officials of the tournament, team managers, and dear participants. We are truly honored that the Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science, Bangalore has given us the opportunity to host R.G.U.H.S Mangalore Zone Intercollegiate Football Tournament 2025. On this special occasion, I extend my warmest welcome to all present here. I am delighted to welcome the inaugurator of today's event, Dr. Muhammad Suhail, R.G.U.H.S Chairman, Dean and Principal, Kanachur College of Physiotherapy, Derlakatte. Sir, we are truly grateful for your gracious presence. On behalf of the Department of Sports, R.G.U.H.S and PA College of Pharmacy, I warmly welcome you, sir.
I request Dr. Salimullah Khan, Principal, PACP, to welcome the guests with the bouquet.
Sir, I extend to cordial welcome to Dr. Ramesh M.K., Principal, PA College of Engineering. A warm welcome you, sir. I extend a warm welcome to Mr. Aristide, Purchase Manager, PAT. Warm welcome you, sir. I also welcome a special welcome to the Zonal Coordinator, Mr. Chandrasekhar. Welcome you, sir. A special welcome to the President of today's function, our beloved Principal, Dr. Salimullah Khan. A warm welcome you, sir. I extend my heart welcome to Dr. Mubin, sir, Vice Principal, and Dr. Manohar Nayak, Sports Coordinator. I extend my hearty welcome to all the physical directors of various colleges, participants, officials of the tournament, and the volunteers and sports committee members. I welcome one and all. Thank you.
We are greatly honored to have with us today our chief guest, Dr. Mohammad Suhail, PG, BOS member, Dean and Principal of Kanachur College of Physiotherapy, Mangalore. I request sir to share some of his inspiring words with us.
The spirit, because you have come for football. So you need that much spirit. Respected Mr. Abdullah Ibrahim, Managing Trustee, my friend, brother and colleague Salimullah sir, respected dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, and my dear students. I'll not take much time of yours because I know everyone wants to start the game. Because 20 years back, I was talking with the zonal officer, sir, that 20 years back when I was student in R.G.U.H.S University of Health Science, R.G.U.H.S, I still remember we have only two zones. One was Mysore zone and one was Bangalore zone. So if we have to go to Mysore zone, there was lot of difficulties. A lot of difficulties to travel. Here, Rajiv Gandhi University has given so many opportunities. Now we have 8 zones, and you people are playing in Mangalore only. So football is one of the game which shows leadership. You should have leadership quality for the captain. Then second thing, how comfort you are with your player. If you are not comfort with your player, you cannot win, because it's that leadership quality, team effort, all team from number 1 till goalkeeper has to play 90 minutes. So I will not take much time. All the best to all the players. Maintain the profession, maintain the dignity of these sports. Do not fight. This is a sports. One team will win, one team will lose. But what you will learn, you will take some good experience and your good friends after finishing these 3 days. So I thank PA College of Pharmacy to calling me for chief guest, sir. Thank you, sir. And all the best. God bless you all. Jai Hind.
Yes, Dr. Salimullah Khan to felicitate our guest, that is Dr. Mohammad Suhail, who is a BOS chairman, dean and principal, Kanachur College of Physiotherapy. I request Dr. Salimullah Khan along with the AGM, that is Mr. Sharafuddin PK, AGM Campus PAET. We have with us the principal of PA Engineering College, that is Dr. Ramesh. I request sir to address the gathering.
Today's chief guest, Dr. Mohammad Suhail, other dignitaries on the dais, of the dais, the faculty members and the stars of today, the players. At this ground, the Physical Education Department of the PACE Knowledge City, the PAET, I think last 2 years or last 5 years, we had a lot of tournaments. The VTU, the Vishwesvaraya Technological University Football Mangalore Zone, and happened here for the last 3 to 4 years. And we were lucky that PACE, PA College of Engineering, was able to win the championship. Then the Mangalore University, the tournament happened. And I think this time, the first time, no? This R.G.U.H.S, it is happening on our ground. So, as a part of PACE group, we welcome all the players to this ground. And as our Suhail sir has told, football is a game which has united not the hearts of the people, but united the hearts of the people of countries with rivalry. It has actually dissolve the borders and the border disputes. So this is a game which unites the hearts of the people. Play well with sportsman spirit, a lot of qualities, team spirit, leadership, many things comes out of this game. And I wish you all the best, all the people who have come here, the coaches, the trainers, all the people, that one team will win, of course, but all are a part of it. And we hope to see very good, vibrant matches in this ground in the next 3 days. Thank you very much.
Chandrasekhar SN, Physical Director, and R.G.U.H.S Mangalore Zonal Coordinator. I now request him to kindly address the gathering.
ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಸಿನರಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ